Ready?
Hi, I'm Donna and welcome to my kitchen. This is budget-friendly recipes, so we're gonna do another easy, healthy, and budget-friendly recipe today. For today, I picked tofu curry. So a few simple ingredients: tofu, coconut milk, ginger, turmeric, and curry powder. Very simple. I actually never use this organic tofu from Trader Joe's. I usually use extra firm tofu, and I fry it first. So we'll see how it works. I never use this one. So when you open, just be careful because it has, see, I spilled it. A lot of moisture in it, and it's always better to dry it a little bit, because if you want to fry it, it's better that it's dry. And let me start the pan. It's actually ready pretty fast, as most of my dishes, like under 10 minutes probably, because you don't really need to cook tofu, so we just need to give a little color from both sides. And you can do cubes, you can do maybe half of it, just cut in half. I think that would be a good size. And make sure they're dry. There we go, just like that. So I made this dish a couple of years ago for one of my customers, and she really liked it, so that went into my menu. And I actually used to use red curry paste, but I don't think I have it. Let's see if we have it. No, I have green curry paste. I don't want to use green curry paste. That's fine. You don't need to. Really, it's simple, like ginger. If you give ginger, oh, and yeah, I'm gonna add something. Lime, and the trick, there is a very cool trick. I freeze the lime, and then it's easy to grate, so we'll see that trick. Let me just put it back for a moment. Alright, I think my pan is getting hot. I'm using avocado oil. You can use any oil that you want. You can actually use coconut oil for that, because we are using coconut milk, and that will be, you know, that will work well with coconut milk. Alright. And you don't have to use all of them. I'm just gonna do this amount, just half, maybe one more slice, and then I can keep the rest of it for another dish. That will be good too. So this is vegetarian dish, as you see, and it's great with rice. Maybe we cook rice after. Just plain jasmine or basmati rice will be good. And just garnish with fresh cilantro leaves. Very simple. So my heat is on medium-high. We'll take about 2-3 minutes on that. So our tofu's been cooking for 2-3 minutes, so it has a little color. You can give more color if you want, but I don't think it needs more. And we're gonna cook for another 2 minutes. Alright, I'm going to add coconut milk, so I'm just going to add like little solids and little moisture, the water, liquid from there, just half. I don't want to use more than that. Fresh ginger gives really good flavor. Peel it and then grate it. About a tablespoon or teaspoon, doesn't matter. Okay, that should be good. It's about a teaspoon. Yeah. And like half a teaspoon curry paste, curry powder. I don't know why I call it curry paste. And I also have fresh turmeric. Isn't that beautiful? Orangey. You have to be very careful with turmeric. If it really stains everything it touches. So. All my clothes and aprons are stained with turmeric. I used to wear like white aprons. It was horrible. Now I wear black aprons. That's why. Oh, look at this beautiful color. Turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory thing, so it's really good to add to your dishes. And we need to add a little bit of salt. And I am going to add some red pepper. It will be spicy. It's okay. If you don't like spicy, don't add. Going to add cilantro. And I'm going to grate our frozen lime. Lime zest gives curries and any Thai dishes wonderful fresh taste. And if you want to add lemon juice, that will be perfect too. And that's it. Done. We're done. Like 7 minutes, 8 minutes, you have it. Serve it with rice and you have a wonderful vegetarian vegan meal. You want to try?
Yes.
So,
what do we have here?
So that's tofu, curry, a little ginger, turmeric, and it's a little spicy. And I don't remember if I added any salt. So
I'm used to so much spicy in Thailand. Oh my god.
You faking?
No. This is so good. It is spicy. You weren't joking.
I know. I put like.
So can I take this and eat this?
You can take it.
Awesome.
Yeah. She was very excited this morning. I told her that I was gonna do a couple of episodes today, and she's like, "Oh my God, I'm gonna taste the food finally!" Because I watched the episodes. I always want to taste the food, and I never have a chance to do that. So finally, she did that. So I'm glad you like it. So if you like this episode, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.